Well, hello again. By now, you probably already saw the video of automations provided by ClickUp, and I just wanted to show you how we are using it in at least the HR team, and for you to have a better idea on how you can implement it. So, in this moment, we have in the across departments in the recruiting process, we have 4 automations. So here is our list. Our recruiting process has 5 stages. We have job creation, the interviews, the seating, the hiring, and the onboarding. So what we wanted to do is that every time that one of the custom field changes, the bot automatically brings a new task and we don't have to do much. So let's go to review the automations. In here, you can see the active automations and again, you can see the description. For example, in here, we know that it's from job creation to interview. Please fill these fields so everybody knows what the automation does. So if we wanted to review how the automation was created is when the custom field changes in the stage from job creation to interviews, then what the bot is going to do is going to archive the task and then it's going to create a new task with the name of interview and we only have to add the position name in the list of the recruiting process and it's going to bring us the template interview setup, which is great so we don't have to create all the little checklists that we have for each one of the stages. The priority, due dates, and start dates, you can add them once the task has been created. And I also added here that I wanted the custom field again to be interviewed just to to have it very clear. Um, then what I have as a suggestion for you, it took me a while to get it like this, and I struggle a lot with the different things that ClickUp provides in automations. But what I would like to invite you is that every condition is different or something changes in the condition. It finally worked because each custom field has something that changes. So that's how it works. But please be aware that every condition needs to change and if you're having any issues, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. So how this works and how this looks in real life. So let's say we're going to start the process of the job post of a soccer player. We're going to hire a soccer player. And then in another video, we explain the required custom field. So this one is one of those cases. The stage is required, so the task cannot be created without having the stage. Then we save, and there we go. We have the job creation, the task for the soccer player. What we did then is that we created our template for job creation and you use it. You can import everything or customize. In this case, we don't need to customize anything, so we just use the template as it is and we wait. And then the only thing that I have to do is add the assignee, which will be the hiring manager, the due date. And if I need to give further instructions to the hiring manager, I will add them over here. Then you can see that all the template has been added. So the hiring manager has to complete his part, I complete my part. And when we both have completed our part, HR comes and we change the custom field. Instead of closing the task, we're going to change the custom field. So we change it to interviews. And in a moment, it's going to archive this task and create us a new task. So just be patient because ClickUp sometimes it's a little bit slow, but it will happen. I assure you it will happen. There you go. Now we have it in interview, and what he did is that he bring me the template of the interview and everything is already here. So it saves us a lot of time. So what I do is interview soccer player, and then I add the hiring manager, the due date, and every time that we're changing the costume field, it will do the same. It will archive this, create a new task, add the template, and then I just have to add the due date and the person who is in charge. So if you have any problems, if you run into any issues, just let me know. And hope this video helped you to understand a little bit more automations. And I hope we can get our soccer player very soon. Have a great day.